right, so I made a pretty awesome discovery and I want to show you. So here we go. All right, so I think I made a new discovery. Probably not new, I'm sure someone's done it before. So this was just a little tiny runner. So it's like almost December in Arizona, and you can see that leaves look like vine looks like it's about to go dormant. The vines are all seasoned. As you can see, they're getting lignified, which means they're getting kind of woody. And so growth has slowed down dramatically. I took one of these lignified vines. This vine right here, I just cut the roots on, so that's why it's dying. I'm getting rid of that lantana. Anyway, I took this grapevine, it's kind of long, and I had it go under the ground, and I notched it up a little bit here to cut into the cambium layer to cause it to become autonomous, put roots out and stuff. Put it under the ground. It was probably sticking up maybe, I don't know, up to here. And then like about a week or so ago, it just exploded with growth. It's going nuts. Like it thinks it's springtime maybe. I'm not really sure what's wrong with it. I mean, obviously there's nothing wrong with it because it's growing like crazy. And the weird thing is let me see if I can find it. There was like some mini grape flowers. So I'm hoping it doesn't think it's time to put out fruit because it's gonna be December in like a week or two. Anyway, really good way to get a layer, which is when you bury it under the ground, to root quickly, is to cut around it. As you can see there, I just scraped a little bit. Just, you don't want to scrape too deep, just through the phloem, which is the outer cambium layer, and it causes this to happen. So I'm happy that that experiment worked. And it looks like I'm gonna have another grapevine coming up right here. This was actually just barely, I just planted that cutting in March. And that's what it's done in however many months it's been. 8 months or 9 months, whatever. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. I did the same strategy on that vine. I had a few long canes, buried them like this one. You can't really see, but I buried it down right there. And it's putting out new growth right here. And I had two big ones that was coming around the back here, two really long ones. I buried one there, one here, and one here. And they're also going nuts. So, a ton of new growth. And like I said, it's like November, what is it, November 22nd. So, a whole bunch of new grapevine growth. I'm pretty excited about that.